Works. Okay, so this is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Liftoff. Obviously, I have a dog. That's her dog bed. I put it on the couch.
Because my cushion, it lifts, so it kind of stops the thing from spinning, just because it lifts up. But as you can see, it does pretty good with vacuuming it, as long as that part doesn't stop. I don't know how long these videos go for. But you get the general idea. It's not too bad. Wow, my cushions are dirty. That's from her slobber. So, yeah, pretty good. It's alright.